Hey, what's up, BandRaw? Y'all know what it is. We back with Norview High School, sound of the 757, but we at Lakeland High School this time. I'm with their dance coordinator. Go ahead and introduce yourself real quick.
Malika Eberhardt.
Well, okay, so we went to high school together. Norview High School down the not down the street from here, down the street from Norview. So talk to me about your time from then all the way up to be a dance coordinator now.
So as soon as I graduated Morgan High School, I actually started my own dance company, Pink Pearls Dance Company.
Word, shout out to Pink Pearls Dance Company.
Oh, shout out to my babies, yes.
Okay.
The powerhouse of VA.
So that got you into the dance scene. Now you over here coordinating at Norview.
Yes.
That's dope.
My year that I auditioned for a band was the same year it got suspended at Morgan High School. So I didn't get to experience the dance line there. But I knew I always wanted to give back after I graduated regardless. So my goal was to be the dance coordinator in band.
That's dope.
Yeah.
Like she in March, but she created a whole company just for the culture. Like that's dope. So what you want to say to the competition out here today, the other dance lines, other dance coordinators, what's going on?
I would say good luck to everybody. I'm still getting my feet wet around, but so far from what I've seen, everybody is good. Everybody has their own style, and I love it. I love to see it. So good luck to everybody.
That's a fact, and there's a lot of love in the BandRaw comments on YouTube about Norview and they dance squad. So yeah, I definitely got a lot of love. But you know how to be in the videos, though.
Yeah.
How we in the videos?
What you mean? Oh, I got it.
I ought to keep this in the video. Right? Yeah, it's like, but you know how we in the video.
Yeah,
though.
in
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, Norview High School.